Angelina. Angelina, come here. Talk to Daddy in here. Tell Daddy about your kitty cat.
Yep.
Did you tell Daddy about your new shoes?
Daddy, Yep.
Come here, Angelina. Did you tell Daddy you had pretzels for lunch?
Daddy, Bubble. Yep. Yeah.
Tell Daddy you want to go to his baseball game.
Daddy, Bubble. No.
Did you tell Daddy that you played with Layla today?
Daddy,
Angelina, come this way.
Yep. Yep.
Did you tell Daddy that you love him?
Daddy, no. Yep.
Are you done, Angelina? Come here. Are you done talking to Daddy? Did you tell Daddy bye-bye then?
Bye, Daddy.
Tell him love you.
Bye, Daddy.
Hang up.
Daddy.
Okay. You want to sing your ABCs?
Yeah.
Ready? Say A.
A,
Say B.
B,
C.
D,
D.
E,
E.
E,
F.
S,
F.
S,
G. Say G.
D,
H.
H,
Say I.
I,
J.
J,
Screw back. Say K.
J,
Say L.
H,
I.
I,
J.
J,
K.
U,
K.
J,
L.
Uh-oh,
Uh-oh.
ha,
Say L.
J,
L.
O,
M. N. O.
O,
P.
P,
Q.
Q,
R. Say R. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? There you are. Where'd you go? Can you say R? What are you doing under there? Angelina, say go Broncos! Ready? Say boo! Boo! Are you done?
Yeah,
Say R.
O,
S. T.
D,
U. V.
B,
W.
yeah,
W.
good,
X. Say X. Angelina, say X. Y. A. Say Y.
Y,
Z.
E,
Good job. Say go Broncos. Yes. Can you say go Rockies?
no,
Fine. What does a crocodile say then?
no.
Snap, snap. Good. All right.